This is the first unboxing of the S26 Ultra, and I received a purple one. Okay, this time around, its body should be a bit more rounded, and the hand feel will be better. Plus, it's equipped with that privacy screen. You can take a look at its technology. We'll actually get to see it later once this is unboxed. And this right here is the phone itself. The body is definitely much more rounded.
So because previously the periscope structure was square, but this time with AOI technology, its aperture is now round, its light intake will be greater, and the protrusion will be smaller. You see, its protrusion is very small, and this corner is finally very rounded. Just use your fingernail to touch it, then power on. It's now activated with the SIM card inserted. You can see its corners are very rounded. It actually leans more towards this rounded feel, unlike the previous Ultra, which was more square. It maintains this feel. And its body actually weighs just 124 grams, very light and thin compared to the S26 Ultra. Now entering the main interface, you'll find that it is indeed more rounded, more like the corner of a screen with a clip. If you compare it with the 22 Ultra, you'll notice that even though their sizes are identical, both measuring 6.9 inches, it's still lighter and thinner.
That smooth feel, when you hold it, actually feels a bit better.
And the difference between this and the 22 Ultra is actually its S Pen. With this S Pen on the 22 Ultra, you can insert it either way, front or back, no problem. But with the 22 Ultra, if you insert it the wrong way, it will stick out a little. So you need to note this. You should try to use this angled approach since it's inherently rounded. So if you insert it at this angle, it will fit perfectly. Compared to previous generations, there's basically no protrusion. The main thing I'm focused on is the privacy screen. You can show it again, and there's an anti-peep mode. You can turn on the anti-peep mode. For example, if you tilt it slightly and then turn it off, if it's tilted slightly at that angle, if you tilt it slightly like on the subway or on a bus, someone can easily see your content. So then then it has activation conditions. So for example, you can select specific apps. Not all need this anti-peeping design. You just need to say open the camera or WeChat, and it will only activate in your chosen apps. Or for notification pop-ups, it will apply an anti-peeping design. Or if you enter a numeric pattern or ID password, it can provide anti-peeping. Then it offers maximum privacy protection. This means it sacrifices a bit of brightness or color accuracy, but it greatly protects your privacy, providing ultimate protection. For instance, if I turn it on like this, you'll still see a little. But if you activate this, you'll find there's almost nothing, just a pure black screen. This is quite noticeable. For instance, if you're in a highly private environment, you should enable maximum privacy protection. And for daily use, you can simply turn on the anti-peeping mode. Then you can choose activation conditions. For example, if you don't want certain apps to have a privacy screen design, just uncheck them. Or if an app needs privacy protection, just check it. As for these two, it's up to you. This refers to whether a pop-up message needs a privacy display, or if you need a privacy display when entering your password. Yes, and its camera still features a 1x 200 megapixel sensor, along with a 3x optical telephoto and a 5x periscope telephoto. But this time, its 5x telephoto has adopted an OA technology. This tech makes the aperture round like the slightly more rounded circular opening I just mentioned. So that was the S26 Ultra Purple first unboxing. It still looks very beautiful.